Good morning AppDev, this is Yash from TCS Mumbai ODC and I'm very happy to present before you an absolutely inspiring story of life after retirement of Dr. V, a man with an infinite vision. Dr. Govindappa Venkataswamy, affectionately known as Dr. V worldwide, was an ophthalmologist by profession. He retired from the services of Government of India at the age of 58 in 1976. During his medical career, he witnessed the growing problem of blindness in the developing countries. The statistics and analysis of this problem is astonishing and disturbing. The magnitude of this problem is huge, and the disturbing fact is that around 80% of this problem is needless. That is, it can be prevented or cured. Dr. V thought of an alternate healthcare model to address this challenge. With this vision of eliminating needless blindness, Dr. V started an 11-bed Arvind Eye Clinic in 1976. Today, Arvind is the largest and most productive eye care systems in the world. Arvind has grown today into a huge network of 5 hospitals, 3 managed hospitals, an ophthalmic product manufacturing unit, an international research and training center, and it is ever growing. Arvind is known as McDonald's of eye care. Dr. V translated McDonald's strategies of assembly line modeling and franchisee into the eye care world to make Arvind effective, efficient, influential, and a clear financial success. He invented a concept of social marketing. He believed that if tailored to the local niche, the healthcare programs can be marketed to the poor. With concept in mind, Arvind pioneered the eye screening camps. They took these camps to the doorsteps of rural India. They started them in villages. This removed the barrier of ignorance by educating the customer. Patients detected to be requiring surgery in these eye camps were then brought to the hospital. Arvind arranged for to and fro transportation, accommodation and food for these patients. This removed the barrier of distance. Once the patients reached the hospital, they could choose to pay if they afforded to. So there was a free section and a paid section. What differed in these two sections was the level of accommodation and food. The high quality eye care service was available for all. Removing the barrier of poverty was a theme behind these two sections. The revenue from the paying patients was enough to cover the poorer patients as well as support Arvind's expansion plans. Around 2/3 of these surgeries were free. What sustains this revenue model was the higher volume of surgeries that Arvind performs. All the processes, systems and people at Arvind are geared and tuned to support these higher volumes, increasing the capacity of the hospital. Look at this operation theatre. 4 highly trained paramedics are assisting a surgeon to optimize his skill and time so that they can operate more, they can perform larger number of surgeries in a day. To cut costs further, Arvind started manufacturing the intraocular lenses, which are an integral part of the cataract eye surgery locally, to produce them at a cheaper rate. Aurolab, as they started, today manufactures a large variety of ophthalmic products, which are high quality but lower costs, and they are accessible and affordable throughout the world today. Networking was one of the other key strategies that Dr. V had. He shared his knowledge, his strategies, his systems with the world. Over the years, he built a strong network of supporting organizations. This open culture of sharing is helping a lot of eye care programs throughout the developing world to make them more effective and efficient, to spread the Arvind model of success. Dr. V is no more with us today, but his infinite vision is still driving the team at Arvind to continue living his philosophy. His life after retirement is indeed a true source of inspiration for all of us also. I would like to leave behind a wonderful thought of this great man. Dr. V says, intelligence and capability are not enough. There must be a joy of doing something beautiful. Thank you.